Being prevailing and may continue prevailing if it goes unnoticed. So later, when we discuss later, we can also talk about these negative forces and how to combat them.
And change takers who share a commitment to nurturing peace through education and empowering the youth as ambassadors of harmony. To begin this program with the spirit of reverence, I now invite
documenting all your thoughts and we're putting together all of it. So for peace also one of the invariables, is mental.
Youth education exactly, in all types of education. It is actually essential. Like a young friend, she has already mentioned that her father was facing problem in adjusting that.
তাহলে এগুলি আলোচনার আবশ্যকতা কাহিঁকি আমি যদি সমস্তে নিজে নিজে মানবিক মূল্যবোধ দয়া সেবা ক্ষমা এইসব মূল্যবোধরে নিজকে অভিমন্ত্রিত করা তাহলে আমার পারিবারিক শান্তি রহব মানসিক শান্তি রহব যাহা কি সমাজের শান্তি প্রতিষ্ঠা
And same thing happens. When we are having some collaborative work with students, we understand what is teamwork, what is motivation, and then
overthinking, parental pressure, এই সব জিনিসগুলো থেকে রিডিউস হওয়া দরকার আমার ভাবনা।
There should be a gender. If we are talking about gender equality, then if women are equal, then why in all sections of society?
From since 40 years we are promoting peace. Our children can be promoting peace. And this message we are taking to their homes. Unlike first educators or mothers, which we are here because of our mothers.
Normal, but we were in schools. It was normal and nobody ever thought about peace. But now it is so much thought about that how to put it in the curriculum and how children of today.
Embrace all. We love all. Love all but no hatred. Hatred for none. Love all, hatred for none. এটা আমাদের বড় মন্ত্র সেই বাহুল্যঙ্গের কোট করবি গ্লোরি নট ইন লাভ ফর ইউর কান্ট্রি বাট ইন লাভ ফর ম্যানকাইন্ড গ্লোরি নট ইন লাভ ফর ইউর কান্ট্রি বাট ইন লাভ ফর অল ম্যান এটা বাহুল্যঙ্গର ପାଇ ହାଉସ୍ରେ ବସିଛି ତାଙ୍କର ଦିଗ୍ଦର୍ଶନ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ କୋଟ୍
through it, if we make it really a part of curriculum in all the schools, this can be achieved. Message of peace education, I have only touched 8 elements, 8 aspects of it. And বিভিন্ন parameters there, you know very well. For achieving this, there are so many parameters. I have only taken 8 elements and made the module on working with that.